This video should have been posted a while ago. This race that I did was in late September at Go Pro Motorplex. Didn't feel like I had enough footage to post it, but we're gonna post it anyways. Whatever. Enjoy. She put numbers on her cart, so that can only mean one thing. I'm going racing tomorrow here at Go Pro Motorplex in the X30 senior class in my Tony kart. Super excited. I cannot wait to get out there. Tomorrow we have practice qualifying, a pre-final race, and then a 17-lap final race. So excited. Thanks to everyone that has come out here and helped me get to where I need to be. It might rain tomorrow, and luckily I've had some rain coaching, so I think we'll be in a good place. Set up. I'm feeling really good about what we have going on with this kart. I'm setting tire pressures and getting all my spare tires ready for tomorrow. There's a good chance of rain, so I'm putting air pressure in my rain tires over here, and then I have my yellows for qualifying and the race. So we just put a new exhaust system on the kart, as well as a new air box. That was kind of a big change that we had to do in order to even do this race. Definitely pricey. Not as pricey as the upgraded electronic system that we did not put on. Either way, I am very excited for tomorrow. I'm a little nervous. I think what bugs me more is getting through tech and getting all these little details done. Just making sure that this kart is set up as good as it can be. With my lack of experience in my class, you know, I'm gonna want to make sure that everything else I can control is 100% and ready. I'm definitely lacking in a little bit of pit support. I have friends coming to help, but yeah, I'm just trying to make sure I'm prepared as possible for tomorrow. Driver's meeting first thing in the morning, then we're rolling through tech. But yeah, very excited. Really appreciative to everyone that has helped me get to this point. It's a big step for me, and I'm excited to do it. 724, I chose that number because I'm born on the 24th. 24 is my favorite number. Not trying to take away from Willie B or Jeff Gordon or anyone like that. So I added the 7 just to, you know, spice it up a little bit. I'm gonna go finish things I need to do to prep this kart, and we'll check back in. All right, first practice is about to start. We're gonna do a couple laps. I'm gonna be in the MG yellows, so I'm gonna try to get a little used to those tires as I've been practicing on reds the past year. So let's go practice. My final thoughts on this race. I didn't really take a post-race video. I really wasn't expecting to do that well. I'm at least proud that I didn't go a lap down, and I worked my tail off. I'm definitely in that race running like 51s, whereas everyone else is running 48s, and just off the bat, like, I lose most of the field. There was a few guys that, I mean, it was easy to like kind of keep up with, but it didn't really stick. But I think for me, the first race was just important to get out there, get the jitters out, understand what it's like to do those rolling starts, and give it a try. And I mean, I wasn't really going for a result. We failed tech at the end because I didn't pass weight. That morning, I did a track walk, got myself centered, got the kart through tech, 10-minute practice session. That went well. All we did was 3 laps, and it was just kind of shake down the kart, see if there's anything wrong with it, see what's right with it, how it feels. And I kind of, I guess, got that from working for my smaller NASCAR team, BJ McLeod Motorsports, where during those practice sessions where we need to budget and save tires, we just send those guys out for like 3 or 4 laps, and they come back in, and yeah, practice is over. So I went to qualifying after the practice session, not where I wanted to be on the time charts. So I started second to last, and then the guy in last ended up doing something really stupid, driving backwards after he had a mechanical failure. And yeah, I finished that race second to last. I gotta say, these go-karts are so much more exhausting than I thought they would be. My neck in turn 4, going through that turn, it hurt so bad, and I didn't have a proper neck brace, which I really need to get. Like, I was exhausted by lap like 12. And in total, I believe about 35 laps done that day. I don't know, but that was a lot for me. That was like the first time I'd ever experienced that. First time I'd ever experienced race pace karting versus just practice and sending it karting. Race pace is intense. Like, I loved it, and I cannot wait to do it again. So I will be planning to do the next karting challenge at Go Pro probably in November and December if I'm in town, fingers crossed. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and following this journey. It's been super cool, and I've learned so much.